Been doing is I've been holding the camera in my hands. I've been fingering the chuffing microphone hole, so right, see what I can do with this footage, and at the end of it we're off to McDonald's. So just sit back, relax and watch. We're just waiting now just to see if we can get us top money for the car. Started it at like 15 grand with a roof tent, sold the roof tent, then reduced it. So it's gone from like 12,995, 11,995 and then 10,995. But the problem is you just got such a captive audience. Is that the word? There's just not that many people here, is there? I think, what's the population of New Zealand? 5 million. So there's more people within the M25 in London than there are in the whole of New Zealand, and we're just in the top part of it, so there's even less people. So yeah, we want to be in sales in New Zealand because it's just a tough market. So yes, hopefully the phone rings today and someone buys it. If not, we've got his boy Bruce, and he's going to give us 8 grand, he says, for it. So yeah, might just have to hit him up instead. Yeah, well, see what today brings. We're just having a bit of an outing. Today's Wednesday. No such thing as electric buses. And then his final call is going to be Thursday, I think, just to get rid of the car. And then we're off BYD. Electric pickup. Oh my god. Oh really? Bloody postman checking that one out. I thought it was a parking warden. He like literally followed us. He went, scumbag. 339 looks nice. What a climb. Right, what time is it? 11:30? Right, it's 11:30 now. I don't know if you can see this building here. Whoa, just above my fingertip. We're going to walk there. We're going to have the sandwiches there. Look at the big dip. Hello, is Bruce there, please? Is Bruce, a chap called Bruce? How is he? I just spoke to him Monday about selling my car with him, that's all, and I just thought I'd just take it up with him. It's a Subaru Legacy. I spoke to him on Monday, and he just gave me a price, and like I said, we've mulled it over, and I think we just wanted to agree with it. But I can speak to Bruce when he gets back if that's better. Yeah, that's great. Thank you. What's your name? Sorry, William. All right, nice to meet you. Oh, thanks for that. Cheers. Bye. Meet you. I haven't met him, have I? William. He's not here till Friday. Yeah, shit's house. So yeah, good job we rang, innit? Yeah. Rather than turn up. So yeah, 8 grand. Fucking hell. Never mind.
Not here till Friday. What's he doing?
Yeah, he didn't say that, did he? When he was getting
well, at least
chuffing.
he did do that now then, because
He says I'll try and speak to him. He says and just send him a message. So he says I can do it. He says I just need him just to
confirm.
Yeah. So fingers crossed.
10 to 12 now.
Yeah, it's good. Awesome. Right, so we've spotted out where his hotel is, just as William rang me. He said that he'll buy it for 8 grand. And why wouldn't he? Because I mean, we paid 14 for it. 8 grand's a bloody bargain. Which is a 2 grand difference, which is, to be fair, is not that bad, is it?
Not when we looked at everything last night.
It's like if you was to buy a car from, I don't know, Dixon's, whoever sell cars in the UK. If you bought it for 10 and sold it for the equivalent of 8, sold it back, I don't think you've done bad. So there you go. I think we've done all right. Still cheaper than renting, is all you've got to think. Change of plan now then. So
Yeah.
we're not going to the that building, the War Museum building. We've got a meeting with William, seller's car. So we're going to have a walk that way, I think. Walk back to the hotel motel. I mean, it's still early, isn't it?
Yeah, it's only 1. So
Maybe we could stop for a coffee. You know, that little... Yeah, well...
find one of those nice little places.
Yeah, a little coffee. Let's stop for a coffee. And reevaluate. That's alright, that's cheap. Cheap enough.
For your next project. It's a big coffee.
Usually get some sugars with it. This is a big coffee. Morris. Well, this is it. The place we dreaded. Means we didn't get much of a bite on the car, so popped in here the other day. The guy offered us his money, and hopefully he's going to test drive it and see what we get back for it. Fingers crossed everything's alright, which we think it is, but you know how it is. They'll probably knock us on something, but he's going to take it for a spin now and see how he gets on. Oh, fingers crossed. Comes back and it's good news. It's got to be. Got to be good news. Let's have a look then, see what he's selling. What's this old girl? Toyota Sora GT. It's like what you get on day 1 of Gran Turismo. Look at that. That's what we should have got. Imagine roof tent on that. Would have been alright, wouldn't it? Great. Nice. I don't know. Fucking hell, look at the price of it. Maybe not. 20 grand. I mean, that ticket looks like it's been in there a while. It's 8. It's 8 for it. What's this? Zimmer. Wagon. Is that? So that's 15 grand. 83,000. It's not a lot, is it? And all these trees are knocking the shit out of them. It's like painting Forth Bridge. Oh, he's done. Look at the state of that, paintwork wise. Looks like I've done it. Oh, you see lines in it? My God, I thought mine were bad. Oh yes, I've seen it. Look at this, look at this. I don't know what it is. Look. It's fucking mint, that. The bloody skyline. Fucking sun's hot. Well hot. Yeah, it is. It's getting warmer. This is what you see with those the pods on the roof.
Yeah.
So they're like a 7-seater, look. Cool. It's alright, isn't it? Ugly as sin, like. Look at it. See if you're parent. What's it done? That doesn't surprise me. Everyone's embarrassed to bloody drive it. It's 2015. It's like 10-year-old. So has he done that? Must have only drove it at night time. Ugly. What's this? Mazda. That Mazda's a beefy thing. That's not the original bumper, surely to God. It's got some kind of kit on it. I think everyone can benefit from a car like that though. Old Japanese dog wag. As reliable as anything. I don't know why anyone would buy a saloon car. Buy one of those, look after it, that'll look after you. You get another 20 years out of it. Trouble-free motoring. Why wouldn't you? Sod buying a brand new car these days that lasts like 3 or 4 years. Get one of them, outlive you. Everyone's happy. Right, where's this guy coming back with our car now? Shady as in cold, not shady as in
Behaviour.
Shady behaviour. Yeah. Yeah, so trying to sell a car, you've kind of got to tell a few white lies, haven't you? I think. Yeah, why?
Some of the stuff that's
Yeah, you've just got to be careful what you tell them. That's saying. We're on his way to Discount City Cars now. It's just that we'll tell them some stuff, but
I mean, it's a genuine ask because it is.
so we'll see. D-Day. He's been on his test drive. Wait for Willy Bob to turn up. See what he says. I was looking when I was looking around the others are battered. And when you look around that, to be fair, the car itself, other than like little chips in the paintwork, it's in good condition. And whether people look for it or not, I don't know. But if they can sell this kind of shit, they'll sell that all day long. So it's up to him. It kind of works out both, doesn't it? It's like if he chips me, it's like, well, I don't want it. And he's like, well, we've missed out on a sale. But I think that it's a clean car. I think so. But we'll see what he says. Get on that front, that'll be up for $12,995 that tomorrow. Be gone that. Be gone that by Sunday. Well, this is a problem though. It's like we were saying to you before. It's people privately.
Yeah.
No one's going to buy that for 15 grand from a motel, are they? They're just going to come here and buy it just for ease. We'll see. It's like the Polish Stig. I don't know, I just made it up. I just assumed he weren't from here, like me. He doesn't say a lot, don't give a lot away, does he? Yeah, it's just all like shitting back, but I'm not even that bothered about getting rid of it. I know.
You look a bit desperate.
Is the city?
Is a town, yeah. Yeah, that's right. Do you need the county? Is it asking for the county or not?
Sorry?
Is it asking for a county or?
The country will be United Kingdom or?
Yeah, sorry, yeah, county, so the region.
Oh, not really.
No, it's alright, yeah, usually it asks, that's alright, yeah. So that's it, we're literally walking out of here. This car's gone. That'll be up tomorrow, that, for $12,995. Look at that thing.
Yeah, don't drive back past it when he's got it out, because it'll be different.
Yeah, we'll be sick. Yeah, I know, I'm such a shit Anna. I just like let people sweat a bit.
I mean, it's pretty good that it did come.
Yeah, so the money's for us has landed pretty much straight away. So I'll say it again, and this is the last time I'll say it. I expected to get a little bit more money than what we did for it. I think $3.5 grand dropped in our bank, but we've had a bloody good trip, haven't we? I think. Yeah. It's a shame. Well, anyway, no, it's not. It's not a shame. No, it's not a shame because
should we have an ice cream?
Yeah, it's cost us just over $3 grand, but we've had a good run. We're going to get an ice cream now, and I'm going to leave. Yeah. I think, can you still get those cider ones with alcohol in it? So yeah, it's been good. So super sad, but never mind.
I think we're going to get burned to shit walking back.
You are.
We're going to get burned to shit walking back.
I know, yeah. I want most expensive one. I know, yeah. Yeah, so basically, well, we're literally homeless, carless. The car was our lifeline, really. And now we don't even have it. But whoever does buy that car has got a bloody good car. Is it 45 minutes?
Well, 48 to be fair. But
Is it actually? Well, we could catch bus. Yeah.
And then we'll look at where a supermarket. We'll go back, get a shower bag.
Can't believe we managed to can that rubbish as well. Oh, look what I've just seen. Yes! You got a spoiler on the back of that. Fucking silly, that's what it is. It's like being abroad, isn't it? Right, wind's picked up, so you probably won't be able to hear what I'm saying. I've apologising for shit audio. I always have problems with my audio, don't I? This is where his car used to be, and now it's gone. Black cloud. You can't. You're fine. So we're just having a walk to McDonald's for his sins. Now, I'm not a huge fan of McDonald's, but needs must today.
We're going to regret it.
Yeah, I think trying to get in a supermarket and trying to sort his chuffing lunch out and tea out every day, it's been an absolute nightmare. So that's the joys of travelling, is kind of sorting out what you're going to eat every day. So yeah, can't believe it. Just bloody finger of it, of oil. What a divvy.
Do you know where we're going?
Just straight down. Didn't bring sunnies. See what we can see. Right, can see it here, the golden arches. I don't think you can see it just yet. Can't wait for crystal crisp clear audio. No, I ain't got my chuffing finger in all oils. I'm well pissed about that. Oh well, it's not one thing, it's another. No, it's probably all shit anyway. What do people fat look at the size of burgers? I went to that one. Let's go.
Right, go for it. What you want? Yeah, that was it. Hawaiian grilled chicken.
Beef. You want beef?
I'll pick you then. I want this.
What is it?
McChicken sandwich.
What? Nobody has that.
I do. A lot. Chicken sandwich greeny.
All different options, aren't there?
Look at these. They're posh, aren't they? Oh. L&P. That's quite popular, isn't it? Is that right? People are going to slate me for my order, aren't they? Right.
Big Mac, double Big Mac, quarter pounder.
Double Big Mac. What size is that? What's the saver menu at the bottom? It's just beauty.
Quarter pounder. Yes, combo. Large. Nice. Soft drink. Raspberry. Mint.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Add? Is that it?
$15.
Complete order? Hot cross bun pie?
Nope.
Take it in. 28.90. It's probably a charger. Table delivery.
Oh, do you reckon someone's...
What?
Well, that's what that what the screen said, that, didn't it? Do you reckon someone's waiting for it and not even ordered?
Well, maybe, I don't know.
That was well painful, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But, to be fair, there you
Fast
go.
food isn't fast food.
No. They're not very fast on fast food or coffees, are they? That raspberry's good, right? Yeah.
Yeah. I feel like Sprite's different here.
Why?
Don't know.
My mouth feels like a...
Doesn't make you feel any better, does it?
No. I feel disgusting. Good though.
Just for tonight.
Yeah, filled in a hole. So there you go. McDonald's done. Finished. As easy as that. Date night, yeah. Same as England, really. Yeah. Bone Idle. That guy's sat in back of his pickup truck eating his Big Mac. That's how he rolls.
Like in the open pickup truck.
Yeah. Alright, let's get back to the motel then. There's a big boy there.